be carefully stacked squarely on top of one another and never be stored on edge. Do not flex, bend, or stand stair treads on end. Tarkett flooring and adhesives must be site conditioned at room temperature for 48 hours prior to, during, and after installation. Stair treads must be swept or vacuumed to remove loose dirt and grit. Tarkett recommends installing a CFS 00A Cove filler strip, where the tread and riser intersect on the step. The filler strip must be installed prior to trimming the one-piece tread and riser combination. The Cove filler strip must be trimmed to fit the width of the stair and installed with Tarkett 946 premium contact adhesive. Apply the adhesive on the back of the Cove filler strip and where the tread and riser intersect. Allow the adhesive to dry to the touch. Place Cove filler strip in position and roll with a small hand roller. Measure the width of the step and place a pencil mark on the step's riser indicating the center of the step. Next, measure the length of the stair tread and mark the center point of the stair tread nose. To cut the width, position the stair tread on the step next to the stringer. Utilizing a set of dividers, span the needles across the two centerline marks. Place one needle on the stringer and the other on the tread. Keep the needle firmly in contact with the stringer while exerting adequate downward force to scribe the tread and nose of the material. Move to the right-hand side of the step. Reposition the tread with the right-hand side next to the stringer and repeat the same procedure. Place one needle on the stringer and the other on the tread. Start at the back of the tread and pull the dividers forward. Following the scribe line, cut the material with a utility knife. Set the trimmed stair tread and riser in place. Tread must be cut to have a slight gap, maximum of 1/32 of an inch. Tread must not be compression fit. Using only Tarkett 80 thousandths vinyl riser material, Tarkett risers must be trimmed to proper size and dry laid prior to the application of the adhesive. Apply Tarkett 946 premium contact adhesive to both the step riser surface and the back of the riser material. Follow the adhesive label instructions for proper use. Position riser and roll with a small hand roller. Prior to applying power tape, wipe the back of the tread and nosing with denatured alcohol to remove any contaminants which may interfere with the adhesive bond. Follow manufacturer's precautions when using denatured alcohol. Apply one length of the 9.5-inch wide strip of power tape approximately a ½ inch back from the internal angle of the stair tread nose and another length of power tape across the riser portion of the stair tread. Trim off excess power tape along the edges of the stair tread as required. Thoroughly roll the tape to ensure proper bonding to the back stair tread and riser. Remove release liner from the power tape. Once removed, release paper may be slippery. Please keep work area clean and free of release paper. Reposition the release paper, leaving at least 2 inches of exposed power tape next to the stair tread nose. Refer to the provided stair tread template located on the tread carton. Based upon the step design, place the correct end of the template against the step surface. If the angle of the step riser does not allow the template to conform, Tarkett 946 premium contact adhesive must be used to adhere the angle fit stair tread nosing to the riser. If the internal radius of the nosing contacts the step surface, Tarkett 930 2-part epoxy caulking compound is not necessary for the installation. For a step surface nosing in need of repair or with a radius greater than a ½ inch, Utilize Tarkett 930 2-part epoxy caulking compound. Gun an adequate amount of Tarkett 930 2-part epoxy caulking compound into the nose of the stair tread to completely fill the void between the internal angle of the stair tread and the external edge of the stair step. After placing the nosing portion of the stair tread to the step edge, carefully lift the back edge of the tread and riser sections and remove the release paper from the tread section only. Start at the front edge of the stair tread and press the tread portion down firmly and uniformly onto the step surface from front to back. When the tread is in its final position, roll the entire tread surfaces with a hand roller to ensure proper adhesion to the step surfaces. Remove the release paper from the riser section of the tread and install the riser starting at the bottom and continuing up until the top of the riser is fitted tightly and uniformly to the bottom of the stair tread nose on the adjacent step. Once in position, roll the entire riser surface with a hand roller to ensure proper adhesion to the riser surface. Cut the height of the riser to the top of the step riser surface using a sharp utility knife. Make certain that the nosing portion of the stair tread is tight against the step nosing. Start at the front edge of the stair tread and press the tread down firmly and uniformly onto the step surface from front to back. With the nose in position, lay the tread into place until the nose is tight to the step edge. Repeat the same process of removing the release paper from the tread section only. Press down firmly and uniformly onto the step surface from front to back. Once in position, roll the entire tread with a hand roller to ensure proper adhesion to the step surface. Remove the release paper from the riser section of the tread and press the riser portion down firmly, starting at the bottom and continuing up until the top of the riser is fitted tightly and uniformly to the bottom of the stair tread nose on the adjacent step. Once in position, roll the entire riser surface with a hand roller to ensure proper adhesion to the riser surface. Cut the height of the riser to the top of the step riser surface using a sharp utility knife. By following the printed installation instructions and using the techniques demonstrated in this video, installations can be performed safely, efficiently, and professionally every time.